English Bal Bharti Standard 3. Welcome to Primary Learning with Rats. Today we are doing Bal Bharti 3rd Standard Unit 1, which is a poem, A Pretty Game. In this video we will learn about what the poem is all about and we will complete the exercises. So let's begin. A pretty game. The sun and rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. You can say it again, and as you keep repeating it, it will become easier for you to learn the poem. So, the sun and rain in fickle weather were playing hide and seek together, and each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. At last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. So as you keep saying it over and over again, you will be able to learn it. Now what is this poem trying to tell us? A pretty game, that is a good game. Now what do they mean by a game? The sun and rain in fickle weather. Fickle means something that changes very quickly. So that is called as fickle. When you see somebody who keeps changing their mind all the time, you say, oh, he's being fickle. That is, keeps changing their mind about what they want all the time. In the same way, this is fickle weather, which keeps changing. Suddenly there is no sun, suddenly it's cloudy, suddenly it is getting gloomy, again you have sun. So that is fickle weather. Now what do they mean by fickle weather? We're playing hide and seek together. So suddenly it was sunny, suddenly it was cloudy. Again sunny, again cloudy, again sunny, again cloudy, all the time. So it was fickle weather. And each in turn would try to chase the other from his hiding place. So what are they trying to do? When the sun comes, the gloominess, the cloudiness, the dark skies go away. And when the sun is gone away, what happens? The dark clouds, the gloomy sky comes back. So they are both playing hide and seek by trying to catch each other. As soon as the sun comes out, the clouds go in hiding. As soon as the clouds come out to search for the sun goes in hiding. So this is what the poem is trying to tell us, that all the time this is how they are playing hide and seek. The sun comes up to search for the clouds go in hiding. The clouds come up to search for the sun goes in hiding. And that is how it is fickle weather. Sunny, gloomy, or rather you can say sunny, cloudy, dark clouds. And then what happens? At last they meet to say goodbye. What is meant by that? At last they meet to say goodbye. Such a time where there is sun and it is still raining. So they have finally met together. And when we have sun and rain together, what do we have? We have the rainbow. So at last they met to say goodbye. Now they are saying goodbye to each other. So at last they met to say goodbye, and lo, a rainbow spanned the sky. Now why are they saying they are meeting here to say goodbye? Because after the rain, either the sun may stay and the clouds may go away, or it may continue to rain and the sun may go away. That is, the sun will get covered by the clouds. So after the raining, either one of them will be gone. So at last they meet to say goodbye. And what is the token of their goodbye? A rainbow spanned the sky. Span means from one end to the other. So span the sky. Now what are the words we have found in this poem? Fickle, something that changes quickly, suddenly. Chase, run after somebody to catch that person. When you're running, chase. The police chase the thieves away. So chasing, running after somebody to catch that person. Spanned, again, spread from one end to the other. Read the poem aloud. These are the things that you have to do to help you to understand this poem better and to learn this poem better. So first is you have to read the poem aloud. The more you read it, repetitively, if you keep reading it and put a tune to it, you will be able to learn it quicker. How do you play hide and seek? Tell it in short. Name any other 5 games that you play and enjoy. Copy the names of the colors of the rainbow given below. This we are learning from the first standard, Vibgyor. So violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Draw a picture of the rainbow and write words related to weather, sky. So when you do this exercise, you will be able to learn this poem better. And the words you could write related to weather are humid, thunderstorm, downpour, snowfall, rainfall, cyclone, sandstorm, hot, sunny, windy. So you could use any of these words to write words related to weather. And words related to sky, again you could use any of these words to write them down. Bright, gloomy, cloudy, starlit, which means there are many stars in the sky. I gazed upon the starlit sky and there are many stars. Sunset sky, blue sky, heavens and night sky. So these are the words related to sky and weather that you could write them down to, and you could write many more. You could add more or you could write as many as your teacher has told you. So that's all for today. Please do write in your comments if you have anything to tell us, and I will see you soon in the next video. Thank you so much.
Do remember to like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on all of the latest videos. Please let us know in the comment section below what other lessons you would like us to make. We would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching.